If you're looking for one hair product that does a little bit of everything, you have to check this out. I'm Alicia with WTI, and I've been using this leave-in hair mask from MAREE for several weeks, and one of my favorite things is how versatile it is. This creamy and rich mask contains keratin, biotin, argan oil, and more, all deeply nourishing ingredients to moisturize, protect, and repair your hair, making it easier to control and look and feel amazing. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner before you style it, apply it as an overnight treatment for extra hydration. I like to do that and put it up in a bun and wake up to amazingly manageable hair. Or you can just smooth a little bit of this product onto your dry or frizzy ends whenever your hair needs a quick refresh. It smells absolutely amazing without being overpowering, and every time I use it, my hair feels so much softer, silkier, and really nourished. I love that it adds shine without being heavy or greasy. This product is definitely worth trying, and that's my point of view.